every Wednesday at iLEAD, a vision comes to life. Welcome to iVision, our on-campus eye clinic, where knowledge steps beyond textbooks and into real lives. Here at iVision, students don't just learn. They diagnose, assist, and engage, gaining confidence with every consultation. Interacting with patients in real-time situations, this is where experiential learning comes alive. Each session is a step toward mastery, a lesson in empathy, precision, and professionalism. With the guidance of experienced faculty, each student learns to see through a new lens. This is more than a clinic, it's a living lab. A space where theory meets healing and education becomes service. At iLEAD, we believe in learning that's lived and in shaping healthcare heroes from day one.